But that is all history now.
And is returning to the lineup for the first time since suffering a skull injury in November. He was back. You heard from him. He called it a miracle. He was back. It was great to see him smiling. Now we get. You're looking for the productivity. He did have a club high 6 shots, 1 on.
Good. He's got to be careful because Harry Kane, whether he's
more right now.
Well, why you play him? Get him out there. Maybe he scores a couple of goals. He's ready to play for the team. Maybe we'll see him later.
So, not exactly the news that Tim was looking for.
Happy he's come off with the trainers and the physios. Maybe something.
Southgate, the England manager, is on hand taking this, but he is making his way out there now, and it is kickoff coming your way in just about 2.5 minutes. Spurs.
well, I'm excited for the Wolves fans. The stage and the
It's first.
Delivery is so key to that man, Jimenez in the box, who'd be certainly waiting.
Hampered by injuries last season, the switch to a different way of playing was manager to acknowledge the warm welcome he's received on the streets of the city. And it's now cascading down from the terraces, but that is
Well, I did have that in my pre-match notes.
Tanganga Part 1. Traore looks like the winner here. And that's the one thing just not quite there for him. We've not seen Spurs as an attacking option yet. Here they go with Lucas Moura. Reguilón's ball. Oh, and Sarr comes out. And Stuart Atwell thinks and points and says penalty. Well, a first foray into the box from Dele Alli. And Spurs have got a Burnley. Dele Alli. It's Ali. It's as calm as you like. Nuno comes back to Molineux, and his Spurs side take the early lead. He won the penalty, and Dele Alli has dispatched it.
Well, it's composure.
First real Jimenez either. The danger. He's rolled it back where Oliver Skip is waiting. And now Wolves won a penalty. An emphatic no from Stuart Atwell.
Well,
that was him. Into the air it goes from Sanchez. And then again, Never standing deeper. Jimenez waiting. Eric Dyer behind. Spurs player juggled away by Son. And they had the ball and shifting his feet. Too quick. Yeah, he's twisting away. It's deflected. It might fall, inviting us. Doesn't make the clearance. Jimenez into the box. It's Raul Jimenez. It's deflected behind. And they're going to come back, I think. Semedo kept the ball alive. Højbjerg dropped into that little pocket. Sanchez has got a good handful. And eventually the free kick goes. As defender, Neves, always rising.
Well, how many times have we seen Ruben Neves? You do feel if they are going to sell players like Ruben Neves.
Arsenal a week later. Traore. Later, this is Neves making things tick along nicely, and that mid Cody intervenes. And lovely combination, and almost for Raul Jimenez. And then Spurs look for something like that with Reguilón.
Tottenham Hotspur, a little bit of interchange. Dele Alli dropping deep.
Jimenez away from Sanchez, not away from Skip this time. Traore, no. They're enjoying possession quite deep, aren't they? They're not enjoying much time on the ball in that sense.
Wolves are just winning that midfield battle.
That was Jimenez' touch. And those are the kind of balls they've been looking to hit. Excellent ball to the far post. It doesn't come. He set a Premier League record with last season, setting each other up. Flag goes up, and then it's checked by VAR. So, had he had the opportunity, Dele Alli, I'm sure, would have put it away. That is a foul by Tanganga, and we're going to see the first yellow card.
Getting that final pass.
It's fielded by Lucas Moura, who was caught late. Really been extended.
Pivot.
Well, they the option. It's not the cross they were looking for, though. Neves. Well, he caught it well enough, but not with the power.
Well, he certainly wasn't going to turn. Nuno Santo likes to play that way in that style, but...
Reguilon's done well. It's a loose ball, though. Semedo. Teasing one. Moutinho. With a lovely ball. That is Jimenez, who just tried to sneak in round the back. First time, really, we've seen Tanganga in a crossing position. It's a good one. It flashes away.
I'll tell you what, it's some ball as well from...
We'll break it down when we return.
Away, Raul Jimenez rolls the ball. He was unable to just roll for the wing-backs too, Semedo and Marcel. He's looking for Wolves have started with a flourish. That's Connor Cody.
You really do look effective until that final pass, that final...
Half-hearted appeal for a handball. Dele Alli's cross hits Bergwijn and goes behind. Good foot in by Lucas Moura. Son had just been able to... Tanganga comes across. There are 3 to aim for Traore. As he heads it away, he's encouraging his teammates to come out. Semedo lashes one just wide.
Well, he had plenty of options. He could have gone right.
Here are Ali and Son, who are interchanging. It's an easy ball. It's a run-in on goal from Son. We've seen this before. Great defending. Son is claiming handball. Stuart Atwell says corner. They'll have a look. When Wolves only leave one back. Spurs corner. Flicked away. Just before the hour. It's measured. Marcel. Measured for Semedo. It's a lovely ball. Semedo with options. That was what? A sliding effort from Trincao. And Lloris is equal to it.
And that's the thing, for all the good play they've had, they haven't really tested.
Longer maybe, before we see Harry Kane. Really well, but he's had his pocket pick. Neves to Traore. Is this the moment? It really, really should have been. It's deja vu. See him thinking about it. But there's no time to dwell on it. This is Semedo. All of a sudden, Steven Bergwijn is bearing down on goal. And Bergwijn...